Hello, everyone, and welcome to Hello Word, the podcast where we explore the fascinating world of the English language, one word at a time. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm thrilled to have you join me today. Our word of the day is bullet. Bullet is a B2 level noun, and it means projectile for guns. So, what exactly is a bullet? In its simplest form, a bullet is a small piece of metal, typically lead or copper, that is fired from a gun. It's the projectile that travels at high speed and is designed to hit a target. We often hear about bullets in news reports, movies, and sometimes even in everyday conversations, though hopefully not too often. Now, let's delve a bit deeper and explore some synonyms for the word bullet. A close synonym is projectile. For example, the police recovered the projectile from the scene of the crime. Another synonym is shot. Think of it like this: he fired a shot from his rifle. We could also use the word round, especially when referring to ammunition, like the soldier carried several rounds of ammunition. Or even pellet if we're talking about something smaller like an air rifle, as in the boy shot a pellet at the target. Let's put these synonyms into a few more sentences so you can see how they work in practice. Instead of saying, the bullet pierced the target, we could say, the projectile pierced the target. Instead of saying, the bullet was lodged in the wall, we could say, the shot was lodged in the wall. Or, instead of the vest stopped the bullet, we could say the vest stopped the round. Understanding these synonyms can help you understand the word bullet in various contexts. Now, let's consider the opposite side of the coin and explore some antonyms for the word bullet. This is where it gets a bit tricky, as bullet is a very specific term. However, we can think about things that prevent a bullet from reaching its target or negate its effect. An antonym could be shield, as in, the shield protected them from the bullets. Similarly, we could use the word armor. For example, the soldier wore armor to deflect the bullets. Another antonym is protection. In this case, the bunker provided protection from the bullets. Think of these as things that provide a countermeasure. Now, let's see how the word bullet and its associated ideas are used in everyday life. You might hear someone say, he dodged a bullet, meaning they narrowly avoided a bad situation, even if there was no actual firearm involved. Or, the company took a bullet for their bad decisions, suggesting they suffered the consequences. These are idiomatic expressions that use the idea of a bullet to convey a sense of danger or impact. Another common phrase is bite the bullet, which means to face a difficult or unpleasant situation with courage. Let's look at some more examples of bullet in sentences. The detective examined the bullet casing for fingerprints. The bullet train sped through the countryside. The scientists studied the trajectory of the bullet. The company announced a recall of the faulty bullets. The report detailed the impact of the bullet on the target. To quickly recap, today we explored the word bullet, which, as you now know, is a B2 level noun that means projectile for guns. We learned some synonyms like projectile, shot, round, and pellet. We also looked at antonyms such as shield, armor, and protection. And we examined how the word bullet is used in everyday language and common expressions. Thank you for joining me on Hello Word today. I hope you found this exploration of the word bullet informative and engaging. Before you go, I have a small request. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others discover our show and learn about the English language. Also, I would love to see what you learned today. Please create your own sentence using the word bullet and share it as a comment under the video. I'm excited to see your creative examples. Until next time, keep exploring the wonderful world of words.